Emotional personality development, a very important aspect of our life, a very important quality we need to become successful in life, is completely neglected. In this video, dear friends, I'm going to tell you what is exactly emotional personality and how to develop that. Let me explain what is emotional personality with the help of a story. Let us take two imaginary characters, Sachin and Ramesh. They have same academics, they are equally intelligent in academics, they have joined the same college and they passed out the same college and joined the same company. But after 10 years, they are different. Where they reach at a different level. One becomes a project manager, one remains the same. How this happens, let me explain. So what is emotional personality? Why Sachin has succeeded in his life and why Ramesh has not achieved what he wanted in his life. What are the reasons behind this? Friends, in our school, we have only studied technical knowledge. We get degrees, we get a lot of good academics, great marks. But at the end of the day, when you cross 40, you realize that you haven't achieved that which you really desired. What's the reason? Emotional personality. What I mean to say is this. See, what happens in life, we have to deal with many frustrations, many problems, many failures, many rejections. Now, here is the thing. This is the most important thing. If you want to succeed in life, if you want to grow in life, how do you handle these frustrations? How you handle these rejections? This is very important. And to handle these frustrations, to handle these rejections, you must be able to handle the emotions which come out of these events. When you go through failures, you will get frustration, stress, nervousness, anxiety, in fact, panic attack and depression also. But everyone goes through this. Successful people also go through these emotions and average people also go through these emotions. But what happens is, successful people are able to handle these emotions very nicely. And there is the difference. Sachin is better than Ramesh in this aspect. He is able to handle his emotions during crisis, during failures in a better way than Ramesh. This is very important, friends. What I mean to say is this. You must be able to handle your emotions. Let me give you one example. Your ability to handle your own self is more important than handling someone else. If you can handle yourself, if you can handle your own emotions, you can handle the whole world. Our problem is we know everything outside. We know about the mobile configuration, the PC configuration. We know everything about other people, but we don't know about us. So in this emotional personality, you have to go inside, peep inside and see what kind of person are you when you get angry, when you lose your temper, or when you get sad, when you get overexcited. That is called as looking inside you, that is emotional personality. If you can control yourself, if you can control your emotions and make yourself do that which you don't want to do, you will do many important things in your life. There is another important aspect of a personality, that is able to understand the personality of other person. You must be able to read the emotions in that person. You must be able to understand which emotions he is going through. This is very important when you want to deal with people, when you are working in such a place where dealing with people is very important. If you want to be a good leader, this is a very important quality. And that's the reason why Sachin was very successful in his career. Dear friends, if you want to change emotional personality, you can do it. It's not by birth. You can work on that, you can change that. And that is what exactly Sachin did. He changed his personality by changing his thinking. Dear friends, we can change our personality, and God has given this option. God has given us the choice to change our thinking. So dear friends, come on, meet me on Instagram. I'm on Facebook also. I will give you more tips like this which will help you to become successful and happy in life. Thanks a lot and goodbye.